In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an item as sold on Gumtree. First, sign in at Gumtree.com and go to Manage My Ads. Find the active listing you sold. The most reliable way to remove the ad is to click Delete under the listing. Confirm the deletion, and if you see the option, tick the box to notify people who inquired that the item is no longer available. That takes the ad offline immediately. If you'd rather keep the listing visible for your records or to show it was sold, choose Edit instead. Add "sold" to the title and put a short note at the top of the description like "Item sold. Thank you." Save the ad. Now anyone who finds it sees it's sold and won't message you about buying it. You can also pause the ad if you want a temporary removal and plan to relist later. A few quick tips. There's no single universal Mark as Sold button across all Gumtree apps and regions. So if you delete and choose to notify inquirers, Gumtree will let interested buyers know the listing is gone. If you want to keep proof of the sale or the messaging thread, use Edit and add "sold" to the title instead. That's it. Thanks for watching.